What if I told you you could direct an entire short film using nothing but images, a few lines of text, and your voice? No cameras, no actors, no film crew, just you and an AI agent called SkyReels. This is the future of storytelling, and it's already here. SkyReels isn't just another text-to-video tool. It's a full-blown cinematic AI studio in your browser. And with their latest features, subject reference and lip sync, you can now control not just the visuals, but also what your characters say, how they look, and even how their outfits and environments stay consistent from one shot to the next. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step, and why SkyReels might be the most powerful creative AI platform available right now. Let's dive in. Alright, so imagine you've got an idea, a scene in your mind, but no budget, no actors, no equipment. Here's how SkyReels turns that idea into a working film. This is where it all starts. SkyReels allows you to upload up to 4 images to anchor your scene. These images serve as subject references. Think of them as visual anchors. The AI uses them to keep things like your main character, their outfit, accessories, and even the setting consistent throughout the video. For example, in my case, I want to keep 4 things locked. The female character, her long red dress, the handbag, and the sunset background. When you're prepping your images, try to keep them clean and clear. Use a simple or plain background. The goal is to make the key subjects stand out, so the AI can identify and lock them through the entire video. Pro tip: put the most important reference image first. Usually, that's your main character. Once you've got your visual references in place, it's time to tell the AI what you want to happen. This is where you breathe life into your scene. Your text prompt is your director's note. Describe what you want the scene to look like, but be specific. Mention your key subjects and how they interact with each other and the environment. Here's an example. A woman in a long red dress walks across a cliffside at sunset. Her handbag swings gently as the wind blows. She looks determined, eyes fixed on the horizon. That's visual. It's emotional, and it tells SkyReels exactly what to animate and how. The more grounded your prompt, the more cinematic the result. Now, what if you want your character to speak? Maybe deliver a monologue, a message, or just say your brand tagline. SkyReels has you covered. SkyReels now includes a built-in lip sync tool that's surprisingly accurate. Here's how it works. Once your video is ready, you can either type out your script and use a voice from SkyReels' own voice library, or upload a pre-recorded audio file, maybe one you generated with 11 Labs, Play HT, or your own voiceover. SkyReels syncs the voice to your character's mouth movement automatically. You don't need to animate anything, it just works. Now, your character can say whatever you want, while looking and behaving exactly how you envisioned. And the best part, you're not limited to just one character. SkyReels can track and maintain consistency for up to 4 different subjects across multiple shots. That means complex scenes, dialogues, repeated settings, multiple characters, all working seamlessly together. I've tested a lot of AI video tools, and most of them hit a ceiling quickly. They're either too random or too difficult to control. But SkyReels feels different. It's intuitive, it's powerful, and it gives you more control with every update. This isn't just a text-to-film tool. This is a director's canvas, powered by AI. If you're ready to turn your next idea into a visual story, check out SkyReels.ai. It's free to try and shockingly easy to use. And if you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, share it with your creative friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI-powered storytelling. We're entering a new era where one person can direct a full film with just an idea. Are you ready?